This is a 128-acre resort with over 1 million square meters of land. It's a massive complex. Rethink how we were going to use and conserve water at this resort. One of the thought processes was to get a desalination plant here at the resort. We do get the water from the sea. We are using that water for the greenery of the resort. All the green spaces, all the green golf that you're seeing around and the trees growing, they come back from the same water that we are recycling here on site. We're using that water also to package water for our guests. Most of the hotels sell water at an enormous amount of money, and for us to give water for free for guests is something that is very unique. Water bottles that go to the guest rooms, we are fully compliant around the fact that the water needs to be safe. We have about 1.7 million plastic bottles that we eliminated from the whole process across the group. Sustainability for us is not just a cliche, but it's something that is embedded in our culture.